Alright guys, in today's Photoshop tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to remove the background of any photo very quickly. First of all, I have to say I am using Photoshop 2021. You may or may not have this option depending on how old of a Photoshop you have. First thing you want to do is unlock your background. You do that by clicking the little lock over here in your layers panel. Go to your properties panel and then scroll down and there is a remove background button. You just click it and then it'll remove the background for you. Now there are small areas that this sometimes doesn't pick up. So like right here in his beard, you can see there's a little bit of pink. So you might want to go over that with like refine edge and select and mask. I do have a couple other examples here just to show you how it works. Again, unlock the layer. In the properties panel, scroll down, click remove background. This one actually did a really good job. I'm not seeing much here that would need extra work, as you can see. Maybe a little bit around her hands. And then for my final example, I have this one. I actually didn't think this one would work very well, but it does a decent job. So clicking remove background, and there you go. Let me go ahead and drag this down, turn it on, and then you can see how it does. Again, I do suggest going through here and kind of refining hair. Hair seems to be tricky for the remove background. Not always, but sometimes some of the color gets stuck. Anyways, if this helped you, please let me know in the comments and hit that subscribe and thumbs up button. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys again soon. Bye!